Welcome to the DIY Audio Guy YouTube channel. For this video, we've got something a little bit different. I've got a tool that I want to show you. So let's get this thing out of the box and give it a look. I picked up this tool about 6 months ago on Amazon. What we've got right here is an automatic switch that's designed to turn on your shop vac or dust collection system whenever you turn on a power tool. So you might plug your table saw into this and then your shop vac into it. And when you hit the button on your table saw, the shop vac's going to fire up. This is a great way to automate your dust collection, help you get rid of all that dust that piles up when you're out there making projects. Let's see what's in the box. The very first thing here is this piece of plastic. That right there is designed to stick onto a wall, and then you can hook the device onto that piece of plastic. There's an owner's manual, there's some screws, and along with some wall anchors, and then there's the device itself. It is not much to look at. It's just a black box with 2 plugs and a cord hanging off of it. And here's where that piece of plastic goes. There's a little hook in the back of it. You just stick that piece of plastic to a wall. I'm going to mount this right here on my miter saw table. I'll give you a link to my miter saw table build in case you want to catch that video. I went ahead and mounted the first screw off camera. Now I'm just going to drive in the second screw. It's just that easy. Here's a novel idea. Let's check the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to plug the tool, in this case it's my miter saw, into plug A. And when you turn the miter saw on, it's going to activate plug B, and that'll turn on the shop vac. So I'm going to plug the shop vac into plug B. This is not rocket surgery. You're just plugging wires in. Let's test it out. Let's see if we can pick up the instructions. So we're going to hit the switch on the miter saw. It's going to turn the vacuum on, and of course it works like a vacuum should. Now when we let go of the switch on the miter saw, the vacuum's going to keep running for a little bit to help clear out any of the sawdust that's still in the hose, and it'll shut off here in a second. I've been running 2 of these now for about 6 months, and I'm going to tell you it is a pretty handy tool. No more running back and forth from the vacuum cleaner to the saw, turning one on, then turning the other on, then turning it off, and back to the vacuum cleaner to turn it off. It's been a big time saver. Just generally has cut down on some of the hassle of trying to do projects out in the garage. I recommend that you pick up one of these. I think they're worth every penny. I'm the DIY Audio Guy, and here's a video that you're going to enjoy. And if you'd like to catch me on the next adventure, hit the subscribe button right here.